Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Google Sheets tutorial how to expand cells. So for example, I will type the name in here, okay? And then if you want to expand cells, you can drag border, can click at this point, hold, and then you can move to the bottom to expand the cell. You also can expand the column at this point. The other option, you also can use the menu. You can right click in these cells, and then you can set for resize row. Like I will set into 75. You can press enter. The size of row will be automatically changed. For the column, you can click in this column, right click, and then you can choose resize column, and you can set like into 150. Press enter. If you want to make fit these cells, you also can use double click. So I will double click in here to fit the column, and also double click in here to fit the row. Okay, that's it for basic Google Sheets tutorial, how to expand cells. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.